In college algebra, day 1, back from the break, we talked about end behavior. So by end behavior, I mean what is the graph doing on the left side and on the right side. So for example, if we have this function right here, it looks like this. And in terms of end behavior, I would say on the left side, it's going up. On the right side, it's going up. And that's all. So whenever I'm looking at the end behavior, if that's the question, then the answer would be left side going up, right side going up. Now there is a pattern that happens here with these different functions. So for example, if I throw a negative on the front, then that thing's going to be going down, right? It's going to look like this. Let me fix that 2. Doesn't look like a 2. So this one, the answer would be left side going down, right side going down. Or what if the exponent is an odd number? What if it's just x? It looks like this. And I would say left side is going down, right side is going up. Or if I have a negative, then we have this. Left side is going up, right side is going down. That's actually the entire lesson right there. If you have an odd exponent as your biggest, then that's the way it plays out. If you have an even exponent as your biggest, that's the way it works on those. Now, let's do some formal notes, but I just wanted to explain what end behavior was. On this, it talks about to find it, you can do this lead coefficient test. And so by lead, you're going to look for the largest exponent. All right? So in this problem, it's 5. And the lead coefficient is 2. So 5 tells you this thing is a degree of 5. It tells us a few things. If you look down in the notes, there are more steps to graphing these types of functions. And this is just step 1. So that degree of 5, n of 5, it tells you many things. But for this lesson, we're just going to look at end behavior. So I would say that, we have an odd degree. We'll look at an example where we have an even. And the sign of that 2 on the very front is positive. That means left side is going down and right side is going up. Now, I wrote out that function up there just so we would have something to look at first. But to be honest, there are 4 ways this could play out. It could be odd and positive, or I should have added a line here. It could be odd and negative. And if the sign flips, then the end behavior flips. And we have left side going up, right side going down. All right. That doesn't look like the word side. It's a little better. All right. What if the lead the degree, the n, the largest exponent, is even? I don't have an example written for this. We do coming up, but not right above it. So if it happens to be even and positive, then I know the left side is going up and the right side is going up. So if it's even, that largest exponent, maybe make a note of that, largest exponent, and largest exponent, then you know it's symmetric if it's even. If the front number has a negative sign, both sides it's going down. I don't have much room left here. So we're about to practice. This is a table you can refer to down the road, but we're about to practice this. So there are 4 different ways this could play out, and the left side, right side talk is your answer. No calculations, you're just observing what's the largest exponent and the sign of the lead number. So for example, by the way, we'll do these steps tomorrow and the rest of the week, but today we're just doing step 1. So we need to find the in behavior for number 1. I would say that in is 3. I'm looking right there at that 3. I know there's 3 3s on the problem. It is obviously odd. The lead coefficient is a 1. And that is right there, the imaginary 1. All right, which is positive. So I know on the left side, this thing is going down. And you can look at your table that you made on the front of this paper. If it's odd and it's positive, let me write that down. Left side is going down, right side is going up. On number 2, we still have a 3rd degree polynomial. The lead coefficient is a big number or a negative number. Whoops, negative 143, which is negative, obviously. So that means on the left side it's going up. And on the right side it's going down. I hope that makes sense. Maybe try out number 3 at the bottom of the screen. Write down the degree, the lead coefficient, and the in behavior. This is your answer. So this is what I'm grading, and this is what I'm grading. All right? So number 3. Maybe hit pause and try it on your own. N is 4. Lead coefficient is negative 1. So the important things here are even and negative. That means on the left side it is going down, and on the right side going down. All right, that's as far as we went today in class. We'll do more practice tomorrow. I'll see you later. Bye.